Hello everyone, myself Utkarsh Raj, first year student at IT Roorkee, and through this video I'd like to share my finance exploration journey at Exploring. So in the finance we learned about trading, and then we learned about risk analysis, and then we learned about quant research, and at the end we learned about equity research part. So in the trading part, in the day one we learned about basic terminology of the finance, and then we have done some technical analysis and back testing. Then moving to the risk analysis part, we learned about market risk, credit risk, and different types of liquidity risk and all. So completing this risk analysis journey, we moved to the quant research part. In that, we learned about modern portfolio theory. We learned about derivatives and Monte Carlo stimulation. Then moving to the equity research part, in the very first day of the equity, we learned about how to read the balance sheets and what are the different kinds of balance sheets and all. So we learned about cash flow statement, income statement, and then after we learned about profit and loss statement and all. So completing this statement reading part, we moved to the valuation part, building the models of the DCF model and valuation model and all. And at the end of this journey, we created the report on equity research on particular company. So I created a report on Bajaj Auto, and it will be available on my portfolio, so you can see it from there. So in the whole journey, we were guided by different kinds of mentors, and Prashant sir and Ishan sir guided us throughout the journey, and different kinds of industry mentors gives us the insightful experiences of the market, real market, what is happening inside the market, what are the job opportunities are there, and what could be the roadmap to become to choose your career in finance. Apart from that, our community supported us very much, and we learned about various kinds of financial terms with them, and we got many experiences, different kinds of experiences from them.